What's up, guys? Welcome to our Gadget World channel. We always come up with good products through extensive research and testing which we think you will like. I've included link in the description box, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Hey there, Leslie here, and this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5, a robust, versatile, and powerful 2-in-1 laptop and tablet. The magic of the Flex 5 is in the 360 hinge that lets you go from laptop mode to tent mode to tablet mode. This makes it so easy to switch from working to chatting to watching with the flip of the screen. A small detail, but the drop-down hinge in laptop configuration raises the keyboard 2 degrees to make it more comfortable for you to type on. You can also get the e-color pen and take notes or draw on the Flex 5. Now, the star of the show is the screen, which is available in a variety of options, including touchscreen, stunning Quad HD 2K resolution, OLED, and a very bright 400 nits. Plus, all Flex 5s feature very narrow bezels, which means they achieve 90% active area ratio, or basically how much of the body is screen versus bezels. It means more screen size without more laptop size. The Flex 5 also features Lenovo IdeaPad and is TUV certified to keep your eyes from fatigue, redness, and strain. One of the coolest features on these IdeaPads is a noise cancelling audio, which uses the microphones and speakers on the laptop to make whatever space you're in quieter, to help you concentrate on your school, work, or even just talking with friends and family. The noise cancelling also extends to the full HD webcam, which has a built-in privacy shutter. The touchpad on this version is huge, 36% larger than the last version, and there's a fingerprint reader right beside it. You've got the latest generation processors, USB-C port, and PCI Express Gen 4 hard drives, plus great connectivity with HDMI, USB-A, and SD card reader. There really isn't much that the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 can't do. It's powerful enough to handle all your serious tasks while delivering flexibility for the fun and creative ones. So if you're looking for one computer that's good at everything, check out the Flex 5. I'm Leslie. Thanks for watching.